Excitement. The very first parcel from Uwinshair. Like, I cannot wait to see what is inside. I just wish I'm not gonna be disappointed. I don't even have scissors to open this thing the way I'm so excited. Okay. Yay. I went to Postnet, got the SMS yesterday. Ordered my hair. When was it? I don't remember. But I think it's 4 days from then. So what is in here? It's a golden rose. I saw this from someone, so I was wondering whether am I gonna get, because Valentine's is like past already. We are in March, but I got it. Okay. It says love. Amazing. But the sad news is that this is not for me, it's for my dear sister. So she's gonna get like a very nice parcel here. And look at this. I don't think I'm gonna give it this one. This one is gonna be for me. For like 1 rand. 1 rand for the iron. How amazing is that? And now the hair. I'm not like seriously into this hair stuff. I'm more like natural kind of girl. So I don't know if you can see this, but I ordered her the Kelly one. It's too dark. Much better. Not. What inch is this? 14 inches. She's gonna be so excited. She wanted specifically the curly one. Otherwise, if I didn't get her the curly one, she's gonna be so disappointed because she already has the straight ones. Oh, maze balls. Look at this. Okay, all right. The lace is there. Okay. And everything nice. I don't know what this is, but I'm sure it's for the wig to stay in the proper place. Wow, guys, I'm so excited for her. I'm really excited. This looks very nice. I think I want one too.